In this video, we're going to be solving two-step word problems using multiplication and division. For this example, we're going to use something called the run method. It's a nice and easy way to figure out word problems that's very helpful for elementary grade math problems. So the first step it asks is that we read the problem out loud. There are 6 tables in a classroom. Each table has 4 chairs. The teacher splits the chairs equally into 3 storage closets. How many chairs go into each closet? So we underline that question. We're looking at how many chairs go into each closet. Now we're going to name the numbers and the operation. So we start out when we have 6 tables. And it looks like each table has 4 chairs. So, and we know that we're taking a look at chairs for our answer at the end. So why don't we multiply those numbers out? Now we know that it's going to be multiplication because we're trying to look at each table and how many chairs are in each table. So we have a total of 24 chairs for all 6 tables. Now it says the teacher equally splits these into 3 storage closets. We know that we're trying to look at how many chairs go into a closet. But more importantly is this word equally, which actually will tell us that we're going to divide this. So we have 24 divided by 3 will give us that we have 8 chairs in each closet. Moving on to the next question, we'll read the problem out loud. Each basket holds 5 apples. There are 7 baskets. The apples are packed equally into 5 boxes. How many apples go into each box? So knowing that we're looking at apples and how many they go into each box, we know again that we have a basket that holds 5 apples. And there are 7 baskets. So for us to figure out how many apples we have in total, we'll multiply those two numbers. What we get is 35. Now we're taking a look at apples as they get packed equally. Again, that's a key word for division, into 5 boxes. Knowing that, we'll take our 35, we're going to divide it by 5. 35 divided by 5 will give us an answer of 7. So that will be our answer. Moving on to the next problem. Again, we're going to read the problem. Each crate holds 5 books. A delivery brings 6 crates. The books are sorted evenly into 4 shelves. How many books go into each shelf? So we're going to be looking at books and how many each go into a shelf. We start out by looking that we have 8 books that are in each crate, and a delivery has 6 crates. Knowing that, we're going to multiply those two numbers, which is going to give us 48. Now it says that the books are sorted evenly. That's a word for division, into 4 shelves. So knowing that information, we're going to divide 48 by 4. So whenever we do long division, we're going to be taking a look at 4 and then the first number that is here. So the steps for long division are divide, multiply, subtract, and repeat. So 4 goes into 4 one time. We multiply 1 times 4, which will give us 4. We subtract that. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then we carry down the next number. We're going to repeat those steps. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 4 will give us 8. We subtract that. We get 0. And we don't have any numbers, so we don't have a remainder. So our answer is going to be a total of 12. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tips and lessons from Mr. Heaton's Math Lab.